Hello, today I will be changing ignition switch in my L322 HSE from 2003. Okay, let's start with removing the center console. It is fairly simple, we'll just have to unscrew a few bits. Just removing a few screws, so it can be complicated, right? First I'm gonna put it into neutral here. This goes just like this, and so after removing this plastic, to make your life easier, it's good to put the car into neutral, and to do so you have a lever here, this one, that when you push it you'll be able to put the car into neutral. So not push it, you have to pull it up like this. Cool. And now it is in neutral, and all I have to do is take this out just like that. Cool. Alright, so when you have your gear lever removed, you can just put it away somewhere and unplug a few cables. Take this out. Okay, so here it is. Let's just remove a few more screws and see if we can get it out. And as you can see, right here is the screw that holds the center console, here and on the other side as well. And let's just remove it. Okay, now that I have everything removed, let's see if I can take the center console out. Okay, let's try to take it out. So you have to pull it right here. You can see this part, you have to pull it, and it will all just unplug, and voila, I have it. Now let's get this into the car and see if it works. As you can see, car started and everything works as it should.